Welcome back, everybody. It's Jamie from Heavenly Dreams Dairy Goats, and the babies, goats, and baby lambs are outside in the pen today. We did have a Terfesque, I think is how you pronounce it, where Miss Scarlet there, that one right there, she ran back through the fence, broke the post, 3 posts up, and now I'm not sure about having if I can get new ones or not to replace them. But just about everybody's been shocked now. So they're kind of staying off of it, but still, you know, like right there, you seen Miss Willow get shocked. It's a low pulse system, so it doesn't shock all the time. So there's times where they've actually touched it and didn't get shocked, but then they touched it and got shocked. So I'm hoping that they get trained to this pretty well, and you know, and it works great for them. This is my goal, is to only have this electric fence up, and then when the barn gets picked up, I've got another roll of this that I'm going to train the big girls right there on. I think
you're gonna have to get a stronger thing though.
No, I think they will be more
Like, ow.
Yeah, and not want to go back near it is what I'm saying.
These are dumb.
Well, these are babies, so it takes them a little longer to register what's going on.
You'll probably get, if you can find one that's faster than a low pulse, you'll probably get that one.
But they've got a bucket of water in there, and I haven't put any hay in there yet for them because I'm kind of just letting them explore and see what they eat and the brush in there and stuff like that. But they seem to be doing all right.
Here's Dixie coming up to say hi.
And we'll go check out everybody else and see what everybody's doing, since I haven't really did an update video yet. But this kind of will be, you know, with the babies and whatnot. All the rain that we've got. And then we've got these girls, my milkers right here, and then our bred old doe right there to the left, Odessa. We got Cal and Ariel playing. Mavis in the back eating. And then we've got Jack and Jill right there. Jack is a mini donkey stallion who is 16 years old. And then you got Jill here, who is actually a wild burro from Arizona, and she is a 3-year-old. We still have quite a bit to deal with her, helping her learn and whatnot. And then we've got Lancelot right there. Mr. Zeus is up in the shelter logic there. Mr. Lancelot, he's a handsome boy, yes you are. Young, he is young. Mr. Zeus is a 4-year-old, and Mr. Lancelot is 2. And of course, Zeus is our king. And then we got Cherry, who is pregnant. No, she's pregnant. And she is a quarter horse draft crossbred to a quarter horse. And you can see that baby laying right in the bottom of that stomach. Who's pretty, Cherry? Yes, you are. That's my daughter's horse. And then we got my husband's Mustang here, Mr. Hercules, who is a coming 6-year-old from Maverick Medicine, Nevada. What do you got a stick in your pocket for?
That's my Mac stick.
What the heck are you doing way up there? Oh.
She's an owl. She's an owl. She's a government bird. She sit on the bar to recharge. I can't believe people actually believe that. You sit on the power lines to recharge.
He says, I want my butt itched. There's one little white spot right there, a crescent moon between his eyes.
Man, I know Grandma's gonna have some good food at that family dinner.
Well, she's supposed to be cooking turkey and then all the fixings with it.
We only
have that, like, that roll up and ham.
we have 1 hour left before we leave. 11:45.
Dude, I'm sorry.
There's my mare, Diamond. She's a 6-year-old, or coming 6-year-old, from Antelope Valley, Nevada. She's a little gorilla. And she's a sweet little mare. And there's my husband's other little mare. She's a bay roan. As you can see, she's starting to roan out. Meg, she's a 3-year-old. She's going to be almost completely white from all her roaning. Meg, I'm trying to get a side view of you. Diamond. She's just snickering. You're very pretty. Hmm? I don't know.
I can be offensive. I can tell you have energy.
They say they love peppermints.
That's like what it's like when you listen to like by that 9.9. I told you. On the I got what.
So I gave them peppermints, so now I gotta give everybody peppermints. Like Miss Cherry's like, and she'll do that with her lips. No, she's not gonna do it this time, is she? Yep, there she did them. Good stuff, isn't it? Don't only get the 2. That's all you get all day. Sorry. Look how long your mane is. Yeah, look how long it is. Look how long your mane is. You're such a pretty boy. He says, oh yeah. What are you doing? We don't want to see your nose. Inside of your nose? He put his inside of his nose right up to the camera. And that belly, she's actually starting to build an udder. Let's see if anybody else wants the peppermints. Zeus loves them, but Lancelot, he doesn't like them. Oh, Zeus is laying down. That's okay. I'll come in here. The Jack and Jill, they like peppermints. And we'll do that real quick, and then I'll end this video. I probably should. That one doesn't stay as nice as. I got Jill coming up. Does you want a peppermint? Did you want the peppermint? Huh? Yeah. I just want. You gotta come a little closer. Come on. Walk up here. Good girl. Jack, you want peppermint, boy? Sam want a peppermint? Sam want a peppermint? Oh, he's getting excited. Sam says, yes, of course I want a peppermint. Oh, Jack. Oh, I know. It always scares you every time we lift our hands up too fast because you were abused, weren't you? Yes, but Sam's a good boy. Isn't it? Sam's just a good boy. Yeah, Sam's just a good boy. Jill, how you doing, sweetheart? How's her doing? I don't got no more. Well, so get 2. That's it. 2. Yes, I just get 2. Jack's all his fuzziness right here will go away. And then he starts shedding. Oh, Jack. Yes. Yeah. Making sure your halter's still pretty good and loose on you, which it is. Yes. It's a good boy, aren't you, Jack? Did everybody know that donkeys got crosses on their backs? That's a sign of Jesus. Yes, right, Jill? No biting. I don't got another one. Say she usually doesn't bite. She's pretty good. Yes, say her is. She's pretty good. Yeah. Did you got a cross on your back? Of course you do. See it? Yeah, hers got a cross on her back. It's okay. Let's try to wipe you off. Right, Jill? And then she comes right back. Yes. We're just beautiful, aren't you, with your big old ears? Just beautiful with them big old ears. Yes, she is. They're just beautiful. Yeah. They're just beautiful, isn't there? Yes, there is. They're just beautiful. You can barely see her mark, but it is right there on the side of her neck, her brand. So then, oh, Cal, you like peppermints. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Ariel, here's something. That's I like them too. Oh, you dropped it. Don't you want it? So you normally take them. Got this one on the ground. Hi, Mama. Okay, we're gonna go. I want to say thank you, everybody, for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you to all the new subscribers. And we'll see everybody tomorrow. So, till then.